I don't know about you folks, but a Christmas with lightning and thunder and rain, and we're in Nebraska. This is a little creepy for Christmas. I think it might be related to something called global warming and Jesus and Santa not liking the president-elect. I think we're all gonna die. So it's about 7:30 on Sunday morning in Nebraska on Christmas. Thunder, lightning, rain. It's a creepy Christmas. That was lightning. That was some really long thunder. So this is Christmas, dude. Ooh, yeah, it's creepy, I tell ya. So, Merry Christmas. It's a Festivus for the rest of us. Happy New Year. And those are the streets, I guess. Wet. Wet. Rainy. Thundery. Lightningy. Global warmingy. And now sirens. It's the end of the world as we know it. Oh boy. Oh yeah, and there was forecast for possible tornado and 160-mile-per-hour winds and whatnot. I'll have to check the forecast again, but yeah. Christmas. This is Christmas.